Honey, I was watching this TikTok and there's this lady that is trying to trade from a paperclip all the way up to a house. The last one I saw, she was trading for a minivan, but I think it was broken. I don't know. So I have a challenge for you. Here's 20 bucks and I want you to double it.
What do you mean?
Like, buy something, go sell a kidney, I don't know. But take these $20 and bring me back 40.
What do you want me to buy?
Well, you can buy whatever you want. Check Craigslist, OfferUp, I don't care. See what's free out there in the world, repurpose it, make it pretty, and then sell it.
Okay, like how much time do I have?
How about like a week? Is that enough time?
I think so. Do I need to buy something and then like flip it or what?
Yeah, you can flip it. So if you find something cheap, you can totally flip it and make more money. The whole point is that you need to bring me back 40 bucks in a week.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Okay, so you're up for the challenge?
Yep.
Okay, but
Let's
sounds good. It's day one. Do you have any updates yet?
Yeah. Okay, so last night I was doing my research and I found this little thing. Well, it is like a coffee table and I don't know exactly what it is, but this person, it is selling it for $2. $2. And okay, so I was thinking of buying like a computer or something like that, but those things are expensive. And if I get this for $2, it seems to be in decent condition. I can like, I don't know, paint it or do something else, and then we can flip it. And also, I already sent a text to this person, and she still have it, so I'm gonna go pick it up. Let's go!
Okay.
One of the problems is that I don't know if it's going to fit here, because that thing is like 2.5 feet by like 4 or something. But yeah, I think we can make it. Oh, I broke it.
You broke it!
No, I didn't.
You broke it!
I'm gonna fix it.
Don't be breaking the car.
Yeah, we can make it. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, let's go. Are we going to take into consideration the gas money, or those $20 are just going to be to buy something, to flip it and double it?
Well, since you were nice enough to go put gas in the car at Costco,
Okay.
I'll let it slide. We won't calculate the gas into your $20 budget.
Okay, sounds good, because this table or whatever the thing is, it is like 30 minutes from our place, so okay, we're good. We can do this.
Okay.
Well, I can do this. I think.
Yeah, it's all you, honey, not me. I'm
Okay.
just here for moral support.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so we just got here, and I think that this is the house. So I'm gonna get ready with my $2. I'm gonna leave the rest here, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna ring on the thing.
Is it going to fit? That's the real question. Dun dun dun. It fit. He made it fit.
Guess what?
Chicken
Guess
butt.
what happened?
What?
Let me show you something. He didn't charge.
What?
He just gave it to me for free because of the little leg that is loose. It has a little leg that is loose. He was like, no, you know what, you came from far away and I'm just gonna give it to you. I was like, are you sure? Here's your $2. He was like, no, that's fine, just take it and I'll help you load it. So that's good, we still have $20.
Fancy schmancy, honey.
Very nice. Here, see the leg. So that's why he just gave it to us, but that's an easy fix. Now the problem is, how am I gonna take it up to the third floor? Third floor.
You can do it. I'll watch.
Oh, thanks.
Don't be breaking your back. Now you have to figure out how you're gonna carry it up.
It's kinda heavy though.
What happened to I can do it? I got this.
Let me show you.
Ah! You broke it.
That's the value of it's decreasing. Can you grab it?
Your free drawers. Be careful. Don't break yourself.
It is gonna have. Okay, so now let's go up to the third floor. Third floor, jeez.
You did it.
Hey, this thing is solid. The next step is, what color should I paint it?
I don't know. We can look at Pinterest for some inspiration.
Okay, I'm gonna sand this, and then maybe we can stain it. In this section, we can paint it either white or something like gray or something modern.
Okay, that sounds good.
And it is solid. It's heavy and solid. What if we keep it? What if we keep it?
We don't have space for it.
I think that we're gonna make good money once we're done with it. And this thing is in perfect condition.
Fancy.
Okay, so now let's look for ideas.
Okay.
After doing some research, I have decided to do something similar to this. I'm gonna do the top like dark stain, and also all this, the bottom section is gonna be white. And also right now I'm gonna remove the screw that we have on that leg to see if I can find the correct screw, so I can put it here in this little hole, and then it is going to be perfect. So right now I'm gonna go to Home Depot to get the materials, and hopefully I can do everything under $20.
Honey, where are we going?
Home Depot. We're gonna try to do all this under $20.
Good try. You have to do it under $20.
We have an issue.
What?
We went over budget.
This is your budget.
Well, the thing is that, okay, I paid 20 and 35 cents.
Ooh.
But you know what the problem is?
What's the problem?
Okay, so I bought the sanding paper, a little brush or whatever, and the stain. But the problem is, and also a little screw that I don't know if it's going to work. The main problem is that we didn't buy the white paint, and because that was like the cheapest was like $12. So in my car, I believe that I have some white paint. I'm gonna double check if I have it perfect. If not, we're gonna go way over budget.
That's not an option, honey.
Yeah.
You already went over budget.
35 cents.
Now you have to make $40.35.
Yeah. Okay, the moment of the truth. Excuse my mess. Oh yes, look at this. Yes, here it is, the white paint. Okay, that was a good workout. The sanding is done, and I'm gonna get it ready to do the stain. Here is where I made a huge mistake. I watched some YouTube videos on how to stain, and most of the people were recommending to do a pre-stain to get a solid uniform stain color. I am applying the pre-stain here, but it was a huge mistake. For some reason the pre-stain didn't get dry and it became super sticky. The directions on the can said to wait 30 minutes to let it dry, then apply the stain. After waiting for about 2 hours, the pre-stain didn't get dry and it was still super sticky. I thought that it was normal, so I decided to apply the stain. Big mistake. The stain became like a regular paint, and on top of that, it was super sticky. And it looked like black asphalt. That was not the finish that I was looking for, so I had to remove the stain with a chemical. And the next day, I had to spend some extra hours sanding to do everything all over again.
How's it going?
Well, I'm finally done with this thing. It was a super mega good workout. It made me sweat like no tomorrow. But let me show you the before and after.
Ooh, fancy.
Today I'm going to take the pictures to put it in the market, This is not the greatest place to take the pictures, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the living room so we can take some amazing pictures.
Nice table, honey. It's fancy.
Yeah, it looks very nice. I like it. Okay, so I already have the pictures. I'm gonna post it on Offer, and I'm gonna start with $100. If it doesn't sell for, I don't know, like in the next 2 or 3 days, I'm gonna lower the price and we'll see what happens.
That sounds good, because people are gonna lowball anyways.
Yeah, that's right. Day 6. Okay, so someone is about to pick it up, and I posted it for $100, but no one was sending me any messages. So what I did is I lowered down the price to $80, but right now someone offered it $60. So guess what? Someone's gonna pick it up today. Yes, let's get out of here.
Wow, that was fast. You're back already?
Yep, it is super hot outside, but guess what? Chicken butt. Oops.
What?
So here are your $20.
Thanks.
40,
Fancy schmancy.
60.
Oh, wow.
So I made 3 times. You were asking just to double it.
Yep.
Boom. 6
Bam.
days. 6 days.
Fancy schmancy, honey. Good job.
So now what? Let me see. Okay, so I did all of the work. Thank you.
So funny, so funny. Give my $20 back.
Okay. Here.
Thanks.
What about this? I'm gonna buy some chocolate or whatever.
You better buy me some chocolate.
I can share with you a little tiny bite.
You want to sleep on the couch?
Okay, no. We sold the table in 6 days, so now the last step is to click here, mark as sold. I'm gonna rate the buyer. 5 stars. He was on time, he was friendly, and yeah. Nice.